Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to connect to Wi-Fi on Android device. So let's start. So first let's go to settings in our device and then just scroll down to Wi-Fi. Here you will find all the networks that you are connecting. So if you want to add a new network, it's very easy. Just you have to wait until Wi-Fi loads and appears in available network. So for example, if you want to connect to this one, you have to click on the network and then you have to add the password. For example, if the password is this one, I don't have the password here, but that is the password, you have to connect, okay? And then you can connect to this Wi-Fi, but remember that the password has been correctly, because if not, well, you can join to this network. On advanced option, you can find the privacy of this network, if this is a private network or not. So now you can connect it and that's it. So if you can check, it's very easy to connect to Wi-Fi on Android. Now you have to only have the password for connecting. So I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.